Hi, I'm Janet Bailey. When I design interiors, I love to use natural products such as timber and stone and cane. It gives a really nice soft character to the interior. So today I'm going to make something that's very natural. I'm going to make a pendant light using something that we all have lying around our yards. It's the seed holder from a palm tree, and we're going to turn this into a gorgeous light. To get started, I need to soften my frond. So the easiest way to do that is to wet it. Come and see my trick. Okay, this is going fully into the water now for half an hour. You will need to weigh it down with a brick to keep it fully underwater. I've got this out of the water now. You can see how it's quite flat on a couple of sides. That's just the way it's fallen off the tree. By soaking it, it's now become much more pliable. So I'm suspending it here from a hook so that I can work fully around it. And what I'm going to do is plump it out so that I can fit my bulb and cord down the middle, and it gives the whole light structure a lot more body. I'm using ball duck tissue paper, and what I'm going to do is pile this in underneath just to push the branches out a bit. As you start to work, you can see where the branches are feeding off the main stem, and you just work your tissue paper in underneath that to create some body and really plump it out for when it sets and dries. This is the other item I need. It's just a normal electrical cord with a light bulb on the end that will plug into a power point. I'm recycling this one, but I don't want it white. I'm going to paint it in a nice deep grey so that it will hide out the cord and the socket. It's probably going to need a couple of coats, so I'll just do my first one, let that dry, and then go back for the second coat. My seed pod is now dry, so what I'm going to do is take out all the paper stuffing. My seed pod's now really nicely plumped out with really nice spaces that the paper created. So what I'm going to do is get my electrical cord. It's going to hang like this vertically, and I'm going to just feed the cord down through the middle, through the spaces that the paper has created. Now this cord's got the light bulb end on it, and it's just a case of judging which spaces you want to feed your cord down and how far you want your light bulb to hang into the middle of your pendant light. So I think that's looking like a pretty good level to me. Okay, I've got my string tied off and I've got my light bulb in, and so it's time to hang it now.